Hello, everyone. This is in continuation to various theoretical topics what we were discussing about in operations management. The next one is process planning. So we can say process planning is like creating a roadmap for producing goods or services. It involves making decisions about number one, where to produce, that is about our facility selection. Then how to arrange equipment and resources, which is about layout planning. How to design work systems and procedures. How much to produce, which is about capacity planning. And then arranging equipment and resources. Finally, planning for human resources. So ultimately, the goal of a process planning is to ensure that production runs smoothly and efficiently, meeting our customer demands. So the factors that influence process plannings are variety of products, volume of production, equipment flexibility, and workflow. So by considering these factors, businesses can create an effective process plan, reducing costs, improving quality, and increasing customer satisfaction. Next is process strategy, which is again a plan that helps organization decide how to convert the resources into finished products and services. Means how to convert our inputs into outputs, which meets customer requirements or customer needs. So when we create a process strategy, organizations consider factors like efficiency and productivity, resource availability, flexibility, cost and benefits, quality of the products basically, and lead time, means the time, how much it is taking to produce. The next is a good process strategy promises to help decide whether to produce in-house or outsource, means to take a decision about make or buy. Determine the right balance between automation and manual operations. Provide flexibility in the production process that includes layout and also equipment decisions. Let's consider like it is like a recipe for our favorite dish. We need to choose the right ingredients, which are nothing but the resources for that dish. Follow the right steps, that is the process, and use the right tools, which are nothing but equipments, to get the desired result, that is our whatever dish we are planning to produce. Here in this factory aspect, it is finished product. So a process strategy helps organizations create their own recipe for success. 3 focus areas of facility design. So when we design a facility, we need to focus on 3 main areas. First one is process focused. This approach designs the facility around the processes involved in making a product. Equipment and workstations are organized to handle a wide range of activities. This approach is flexible and allows for customization. For example, job shop production, aircraft manufacturing can be an example. A tailor shop can be an example. A printing unit can be an example for a job shop process. Next is product focused. In this approach, the facility is designed around a product, what is going to be made. So the goal is to produce high volumes of a standardized product, taking advantage of economies of scale. And this approach is suitable for continuous flow and batch production. For example, manufacturing steel, manufacturing glass, or any pharmaceutical related drugs. So those all can be example for product focus. The last focus area is on repetitive focus. This approach combines the benefits of process-focused and product-focused designs. It uses modular production, also known as assembly production. For example, automobile or household appliance manufacturing. In simple terms, facility design depends on the type of product what is being made, the volume of the production, and also the level of customization what is required by us. Depending on that, we need to decide about which layout design or which facility design we have to choose.